Head on over to Opportunity.University. For a limited time, get free training. Learn how to earn online by working smart, plus get the software tools needed to succeed online. Right now you can learn to earn online as an Amazon affiliate. Our training is very different. We teach you how to earn without selling. We will give you 5 niche Amazon stores, 90-day trial for $4 per store, per month. Here's an example of working smart by not selling. If you want to sell coffee makers, then do not post that product on your social media. That won't work, and you could be banned from Facebook. Instead, post a coffee maker review. If you want to sell an expensive treadmill, then don't post that. Rather post an exercise treadmill video that you curated from YouTube. That, my friend, is 100% working smart. We do all the heavy lifting for you. Launch a turnkey health and fitness store, a recipe cooking store, a product review store, a makeup beauty store, and a coffee, tea, snack and beverage store, all for only $4 per month per web store. There is no excuses for not starting today. These are the best store niches to earn from, based on our 25 years of online training and marketing experience. All video content and store products are supplied to you via our Wordpress software, 100% point-and-click web store development. Everything you need to earn online and work smart is included: hosting, domain names, premium WordPress software tools, and lots of video training and support. You import YouTube videos and best-selling products from Amazon into your WordPress website store. Using simple keywords and a few mouse clicks, you'll be earning online in no time. So please stop chasing shiny objects and start working smart and earning smart. Click the blue button and go to Opportunity.University and learn to earn online the right way.